Hi class, araw tayo ngayon ng General Mathematics. Ang topic natin ngayon is Operations on Functions. So objectives ng lesson natin ngayon, find the sum of function, determine the difference between two functions, identify the product of functions, and find the quotient between two functions. So add, subtract, multiply, at divide. Yan. So pag addition, so f plus g of x equals sa f of x plus g of x. So add yung dalawang function. Subtraction, f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x. Kailangan tama yung ayos kasi pag nagkabaliktad yan, magkakamali. Kasi si f of x minus g of x is not equal sa g of x minus f of x. Multiply. So f times g of x equals f of x times g of x. Division, f over g of x equals f of x over g of x. Yan, kailangan tama rin yung ayos sa divide. Kasi kapag nagkabaliktad, magkamali ng sagot. So, mag-example tayo. Example number 1. So, ang given natin na f of x, x minus 5. Ang g of x natin is 3x minus 1. So, hanapin daw yung sum. So, ang sum niyan, f plus g of x equals f of x, copy natin, x minus 5 plus g of x, si g of x is 3x minus 1. Tapos, combine like terms lang. So x plus 3x is 4x. Negative 5, negative 1, negative 6. Wala na pwede i-simplify. Yan na yung answer natin. Yun, add lang yung similar terms. Yan. Next, operation. Difference. So, paano kukunin yung difference niyan? So, sa difference, may iba. f of x, copy si f of x, x minus 5, minus. Dahil minus yan, kailangan niya maglagay ng parenthesis. Minus g of x, 3x minus 1. Yan. Kailangan may parenthesis kasi magbabago ng sign. So, ganito yan. So, si x minus 5. So, negative times 3x is negative 3x. Negative times negative 1 is positive 1. So, nagbago ng sign, tapos saka nyo siya i-combine. So, x minus 3x is negative 2x. Negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. Wala na pwede i-combine yan. Yan ay answer. Basta sa difference, be careful. Tama kaya yung ayos, kaya kailangan nakaparenthesis. Next operation. Product. So, product, multiply lang. Kailangan nyo gumamit ng lowest exponent. So, f of x. Yan. F of x equals x minus 5 times. Si g of x is 3x minus 1. So, gagamit tayo ng distributive property of multiplication. I-distribute natin si x sa kabila. So, x times 3x, that is 3x squared. X times negative 1, ano siya? Negative x. So, na-distribute ko na si x. Si negative 5 naman. Negative 5 times 3x is negative 15x. Negative 5 times negative 1, that is positive 5. Tapos, i-combine nyo yung like terms. So, unahin nyo muna yung highest exponent. So, 3x squared. Ito, like terms to kasi para sila ng literal. So, negative x, negative 10, negative 16, x. Yung constant, walang katulad, kaya copy lang yan. So, ito na yung product nung given nating functions. So, next operation, divide. So, sa divide, kailangan tama yung ayos, f of x over g of x. So, f of x, x minus 5, g of x, 3x minus 1. Sir, pwede ba namin i-cancel yung x? No. Ang kina-cancel, cancel factors. Yan, lakihan ko ha. Factors, not terms. So, ang kina-cancel, factors, hindi terms. Dahil terms yan, hindi pwedeng i-cancel yan. Ano pwedeng gawin dyan? Wala. Yan na yung final answer natin. Ayan, next example tayo. Example number 2. Example number 2, get the sum. So, example number 2, meron tayong bagong given na function. Si f of x is x plus 3. Si g of x natin is x squared plus 2x minus 3. So, sum, siyempre, pag sama-sama nyo lahat parehas, unahin nyo muna yung highest exponent, x squared, walang katulad. Sunod nyo naman yung linear term, so x plus 2x, that is plus 3x. Tapos yung constant naman, 3 minus 3. So, 3 minus 3, 0, wala na yun, di ba? Ito na yung sum. Yun lang yun, combine like terms. Next operation, difference. So, difference, ulit kanina, yan, kailangan nyo maglagay ng parenthesis. So, f of x, x plus 3 minus si g of x, dahil minus yan, kailangan nyo maglagay ng parenthesis. Si g of x is x squared plus 2x minus 3. Yan. Tapos, i-distribute nyo yung negative sign or baguhin nyo yung sign. So, x plus 3. So, ito, negative times positive, magiging negative. Negative times positive, magiging negative. Negative times negative, magiging positive. Yan. Tapos, combine like terms. So, unahin nyo muna yung highest exponent, negative x squared. Sunod nyo yung linear term, x minus 2x is negative x. Tapos, huli nyo yung constant. So, yung constant, 3 plus 3, 6. Yan. So, wala na pwedeng i-simplify dyan. Yan na yung difference ng given natin function. Yan. So, next operation. Next operation is product. Yan. Oh, medyo mahaba to. Product, f of x natin, dito ko lalagay. X plus 3. G of x natin, G of x is x squared plus 2x minus 3. So, una, i-distribute nyo muna si x. X times x squared. So, x times x squared is x cubed. X times 2x is 2x squared. So, plus 2x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. So, nabigay nyo na si x. Ibigay nyo naman si 3. 3 times x squared. So, magiging positive 3x squared. 3 times 2x. So, magiging plus 6x. 3 times negative 3 times. So, magiging negative 9. Tapos, combine like terms. Unahin nyo muna yung highest exponent. Highest exponent, cube. Wala siyang katulad. Sunod, x squared. Ito, x squared. Ito, x squared. So, 2x squared plus 3x squared is positive 5x squared. Sunod, yung linear term, negative 3, positive 6x. So, magiging positive 3x. Si constant, walang katulad, copy lang yan. Ito na yung product ng dalawang function natin. Next operation. Quotient. So, paano yung quotient yan? So, kailangan tama yung ayos ha. So, f of x una sa numerator. So, x plus 3. Sa denominator, g of x. Yan. So, x squared plus 2x minus 3. Sir, pwedeng cancel yung x? Hindi nga kasi nga kinakancel nga factors na term. So, yung numerator, hindi pwedeng i-factor yan. Yung denominator, factor natin yung denominator natin. So, yung factor ng 3, pag minus 2. So, ang factor ng denominator natin is x plus 3 tsaka x minus 1. So, kung nalilito ka sa factoring, nood kayo ng vlog ko sa factoring. Then, cancel nyo yung like factors. So, x plus 3, x plus 3. Magkamukha. So, x plus 3 divided by x plus 3 is 1 over 1, di ba? So, ang magiging final answer dyan is 1 over x minus 1. Bawal na answer yung over x minus 1 kasi hindi siya fraction. So, yan na yung quotient. Yan. So, last example. Example number 3. Yan. So, f of x equals x squared. Yung g of x natin is x plus 2. So, get the sum. So, sum. Madali lang yung sum. Add nyo lang. So, si f of x. So, plus g of x. Yan. So, combine like terms. Unahin nyo muna si highest exponent. X squared. Sunod yung linear. Plus x. Then, combine nyo yung constant. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. Wala na pwede i-simplify. Yan na yun. Next operation. Subtraction. Yan. Subtraction. Yan. Kailangan nyo maglagay ng parenthesis. So, f of x squared minus 4 minus si g of x. And dahil minus yan, kailangan nyo maglagay ng parenthesis. Si g of x is x plus 2. Tapos, x squared minus 4. Distribute nyo yung negative doon sa loob. So, negative times x, negative x. Negative times positive 2, negative 2. Magkabago ng sign. Combine like terms. So, si x squared muna, walang katulad. Si negative x, walang katulad. Negative 4, negative 2, negative 6. Yan na yung answer natin sa difference. Next operation. Product. So, product. Yan. Multiply. So, f of x squared minus 4 times g of x plus 2. So, distribute nyo muna si x squared. X squared times x. So, x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times 2. Yan. So, plus 2x squared. After mabigay si x squared, si negative 4 naman. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Yan. After nyo mabigay lahat, sapat na yon. Yan. Tapos next, meron ba dyan pwede i-combine? Wala. Dahil walang pwede i-combine, yan na yung product. Next operation. Divide. So, quotient. So, quotient, f of x squared minus 4 g of x is x plus 2. Sir, pwede bang i-cancel yung 4 tsaka yung x? Hindi nga pwede kasi nga ang kina-cancel factors. Huwag na makulit. So, yung numerator, mga factor yan using dots. Difference of 2 square. So, ang factor niyan, x plus 2 tsaka x minus 2. Yung denominator, wala nang factor yan. So, copy na lang. Then, cancel nyo yung magkamukha. X plus 2, x plus 2. So, ang natira, ang final answer is x minus 2. Hindi nyo na kailangan lagyan ng over 1 kasi nga understood na yon. So, ito na yung quotient. Kung naintindihan, ayos. Tapos, kung medyo nalito konti, i-rewind lang. Yan. Tapos, yun. Kindly subscribe at my channel. Yan. Pag-aral lang maigi. Salamat.